Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily unsubscribe from paid subscriptions you also subscribe on App Store. So for doing this you just need to open App Store and just click on your account here on your profile. So just click here and here you will find go to purchased, sorry not purchased but personalized recommendation, and here in second line you will find subscriptions. So just go to subscriptions and here you will find see that I haven't any subscriptions, but also if you have, you will see here in this list your subscriptions, and you also can turn it on or turn off. So that's how it works. After you turn on or turn off, just click done and it will change your subscriptions to turn it on or turn off. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.